Step 1. First, remove the silicone cap from the cartridge. Step 2. To pre-prime the cartridge, take 3 short draws or until you feel steady airflow coming through the cartridge. Step 3. Now, lightly twist the cartridge onto your battery. Step 4. Prime the device by taking 3 quick draws before inhalation. For the best experience, take short 3 to 5 second draws instead of long extended pulls. To avoid any trouble with your cartridge, be sure to pair your Kurvana cartridge with its corresponding battery. If you are not using a Kurvana battery, set yours to 3.5 to 3.7 volts to avoid a burnt taste or leakage. Keep pins clean by using a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol to wipe any excess oil or dirt from the cartridge pin and battery pin. When your cartridge is not in use, avoid direct sunlight or heat exposure, such as leaving your cartridge in a hot car.